Lagosians must also know that there are stiff penalties for offenders now. Anyone caught dumping refuse illegally or littering the environment with refuse faces up to 250,000 naira fine or up to 3 months imprisonment under the Lagos State Sanitation Law provisions. Serial offenders, however, will face stiffer punishment. I don't think it is worth for you to risk it. We also want to tell Lagosians that if your PSP operators fails in any way to collect your waste, kindly report them to Loma or the ministry through the following Loma outline channels: 00 000, then Loma after it. That is 00 000 52962 or 0708 060 1020. Kindly write down these numbers and reach out to the Loma Ministry with them if your PSP operators fail in any way to cut the waste. The World Environment Day will be celebrated on June 5th. June 5th, just 2 days away, with the theme ending plastic pollution. This thing excites some of us. We as a state are committed to ending the scourge of plastic waste in our state. There is no going back on this commitment. The July 1 deadline for the commencement on the enforcement of ban of single-use plastics after the 18 months moratorium to producers, distributors, and users. We are also stepping up our advocacy to our citizenry to be well aware of the ban. It may be painful, but about the living can do now, which is a follow-up to that of the man was terrible for the past. Thank you.